It's just raining grenades.
It's going hot as fuck. I gotta press
Bobcat's cool. Shoots really fast though.
Yeah, it eats it. Dark,
Oh,
you
someone
grab your mines?
right here.
Going in the elevator. They are. They're rounded. They're on the far side of the elevator right now. Throw an 8 in there. There's one in.
Pick him up.
I got him.
They're hopping around.
I down 2 of them.
One more. Nice.
I think we got all 3.
Yeah.
Y'all fucking trash as fuck for that.
Good city. Oh no, get shot.
What's going on?
He's over here.
Warning, there.
Someone's still alive?
Yeah. He's over there behind the red thing.
Okay. I'm still trying to heal up a little bit. Dark, let me heal you.
Yeah, I got you. He ain't on there. I'm about to do it.
It's another team. I'm hitting the return. Never mind.
I down.
I got one. Killed, downed one.
Popped his ass. Press
Still
the
over
button.
here.
I'll hit it.
No, I'm gonna kill this guy.
I'm hitting it. Or you want me to stop?
Press the button.
Buttons pressed.
He said you want me to stop.
well,